holiday season is upon us, but that doesn't mean that the Woodpecker shop is slowing down. The Odd Job and Odd Job XL begin their journey through our shop as blocks of aluminum in a 3-part milling operation on one of our CNC machines. Setting up these state-of-the-art machines is a meticulous process, and the vices that hold each part have to be precisely positioned. The operator fine-tunes the milling program, making minor adjustments with the onboard computer system. When the program is a go, the raw blocks are loaded in for milling on one side. These raw blocks replace the previously machined material, which is flipped over, rotating out the third set that is placed on end. Next, the operator initiates the cycle, starting with a face mill that planes the raw blocks and removes excess material from the second set. The face mill is then swapped with an end mill that works to reveal the Odd Job's unique shape. Finishing touches are made on the other side as well. In the third set, the parts are drilled to make room for the steel scribe tool. Lastly, the edges are finely chamfered. After the milling cycle is complete, the operator rotates out the parts and hand inspects the finished Odd Jobs, checking for exact dimensions and flawless machining. The Odd Job and Odd Job XL are running simultaneously on 2 separate machines, and over the next few weeks they'll be moving on to the next phases of production.